and I will wait on you. I know that you will see me through, and even in the darkness, you will be my light. And even when I'm hopeless, you will be my guide. So I will not be shaken.